Hello everyone, in this video I will show you Lootie promo codes, lots of promo codes and discounts. So guys, open Google on your device and search for Lootie. As you can see here guys, Lootie promo codes, and you find different website. And for example, I choose this website guys. This is two website as you can see here, and the search way to loading the website. And you can scroll down, you find the loads promo codes for November. As you can see here, this good website guys, you find different codes and discount. Just click this option, show the code, and I go to this website also guys. You find this promo codes and discount. Just get code. As you can see here, you can use this code to save your money, and this website Lootie, you can save your money easily. So guys, this is how you find promo codes. This is good websites also for November and bonuses. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.